Alright, we've taken the shells off all of the shrimp, so we're going to take those, get rid of them, and put our container away. And then we're going to take our gloves and we're going to grab by the wrist. Like that, and then like that. And now we've contaminated no other surface. So we're going to go ahead and saute our fennel. We've got our pan, we're going to put it on our front burner, which is still turned up to 7. And we're going to add our oil. We're going to move it around the bottom till it coats the entire bottom of the pan. And our little green bits, our little stalk of our anise or fennel, are a little bit harder. So we're going to put those in first. And then we're going to put the white meaty parts around that.